This is a warning. After watching this rampage, your SP is going to chase you and you will be feeling the ramifications of this instantly. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be doing an SP rampage. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. I also have some amazing news. We might have the opportunity to travel together, but in order for this to happen, we have to fill in a survey link. Now, the link will be in the description box down below. It will be the very first line in the description box, and it will be also in the pinned comments. Very fast survey. You basically just say where you want to travel, at what time, what your budget is, and we will make this happen. I'm so excited to travel with you guys, and I know that it's going to be so fun, so incredible. Again, the link will be in the description box down below and in the pinned comments to do the survey. Also, for all of the services that I offer, including courses, one-on-one coaching, and collective coaching, go on RitaKaminski.com and you can sign up through there. Also, all of my services are linked in the description box and in the pinned comments. Finally, I intend for this video to change your life for the absolute best. And with that, let's get into it. Listen, stop clacking away at different videos. Stop scrolling. Stop wondering. Stop doubting. You need to hear this, and you need to hear this now. Your SP is obsessed with you. Not sort of, not if only, not in some due time, right now. They are obsessed with you. Not maybe. Fully, completely, without hesitation. You are the only one that they want. The only one. The one that their heart beats for. The one that thinks about you every single millisecond of the day. You live in their mind rent-free. You are in their thoughts, you are in their dreams, you are everywhere to them, and they love it. They crave it. They are pulled to you like a magnet. They feel this connection on every level. This is emotional, this is spiritual, this is mental, this is undeniable. They couldn't ignore you if they tried. And believe me, they've tried. But it's impossible to forget you because you're unforgettable. Duh! You are the standard. You are the dream. You are the one that no one can compare to. No one even comes close. They are consumed with the thought of you. They replay every conversation, every smile, every touch. They check their phone hoping to see your name. They stay up at night wondering what you are doing and wondering if you are with anyone else. They see signs of you everywhere. Your voice echoes in their mind. Your laugh haunts them in the best way possible. They miss you when you're not around, even though they don't say it. They miss you when you guys are together. They start panicking because they know you're going to walk away. They have separation anxiety like a little puppy dog. Even if they are pretending not to care, they are aching for you. And it's not just desire. This isn't just some exciting, passionate, fleeting crush. This is commitment. This is real. They want to be with you in every way. They want to build with you, grow with you, share their world with you. They want to call you theirs. They want to claim you publicly, passionately, proudly. They fantasize about your future together. They imagine holding your hand, waking up with you, growing old with you. You may as well call them a tradie because they want to build a life with you. They imagine traveling with you, celebrating with you, making every single moment magical with you, because that's what you do. You make everything better. Just your presence alone makes them feel alive, safe, understood. No one makes them feel like you do. No one gets them like you do. And he knows that deeply and internally and on the surface too. And they desperately need that. They need you. No one excites them, calms them, challenges them, inspires them the way you do. You are their muse. You are magical. You are their peace, their fire, their obsession. And they're realizing it more and more each day. Every single day passes, he itches more for you. It's beginning to feel painful. He feels like he has little itchy bugs crawling inside of his skin everywhere, like in The Mummy. It's really bad, and he's doing everything to fix it by contacting you immediately. They're realizing it more and more each day. Every moment they spend apart from you, it just makes it clearer. They want you and only you. They're ready to step up, they're ready to commit, ready to give you the relationship you deserve, the attention you deserve, the love you deserve, the devotion you deserve. You're not an option. You're not a question mark. You are the answer with a capital T-A, the answer. The solution for every problem that he has. You are the one that changes everything. The one that shifts their whole world. And they feel it. They know it. It's hitting them in the head over and over again like a wave you can't escape. Nor do they want to. They want to completely and totally surrender to you, to your love, to this connection. They see you living your life, glowing up, growing, and it's driving them fucking mental. Your confidence, your essence, your power, you are irresistible. You are captivating, you are magnetic. He needs to get in there as soon as possible because he knows that someone is gonna snatch you up real soon, and just the thought of that makes him throw up. Everything about you is perfect in their eyes and just in general. You are the most beautiful, perfect soul that they have ever known. You are their ideal. You are their fantasy. You are their forever. No combination of any beautiful, hot, sexy woman in this world can amount to you and your beauty and your essence and your perfection. He knows that. And you don't even need to chase. You don't need to worry. You don't need to prove anything because you already know. You don't need to worry. You don't need to wonder. You don't need to beg. You are already the prize. You are already the chosen one. You are already theirs. It is done. It is done. It is done. And they are making moves. Whether you see it or not, the energy is shifting. The momentum is building. Your subconscious mind and the universe is putting out all of the stops, putting on a show, doing everything to make this happen. Your subconscious mind and the universe is rearranging everything for this because you manifested this. You did everything right. You've called it in already. You've already aligned with it. Nothing can stop this train because you're not powerless. You're not waiting. You are the creator of all creators, the commander, the one that sets the tone. And the tone is this: you are loved, you are chosen, you are desired, you are claimed by your SP, by them. Say this with me now. They are obsessed with me. Matter of fact, no. Decree it confidently into being. They are obsessed with me. They are thinking about me constantly. They are dying to reach out to me. They want to commit to me now. They feel an urgent need to be with me. They know that I am the one. They see their future with me. They are planning our life together. They cannot stop loving me. They are mine and I am theirs. You don't need to doubt. You don't need to chase. Hell, you don't even need to know. Hold the assumption. Let it root into your body. Let it radiate from your energy because this is yours. This love, this relationship, this commitment, it's already yours now. And your SP is falling harder and harder every single day. They have woken up to that truth now. The truth that you are their person. The truth that they cannot bear a single day without you. The truth that they don't want to be without you. They are obsessed. Completely, deeply, passionately obsessed. And now it's only a matter of time before they show you exactly what you've been feeling. Everything that you've already been knowing. It's already happening behind the scenes. It's already unfolding. It is already yours now. You are the magnet. You are the prize. You are the love of their motherfucking lives. Say it. Embody it. Own it. Say it with me right now. They are obsessed with me. They are choosing me now. They are committing to me now. They are showing up for me now. They are mine. It is done. And with that, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you absolutely loved it. Make sure to share it with someone who desperately needs this energy. Don't forget to hit that bell notification and hit that subscribe button, and check out my courses, my coaching, and my collective coaching, all on ritakaminski.com, or in the description box, or in the pinned comments, baby. I hope you all have an amazing day. And with that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.